Welcome guys, and thank you for tuning in. My good name is Triple M Favored, and we are here as United Paints because we have been nominated to receive an award as the best paint dealers. So let's start with my colleague here.
My name is Joel Gathu, and I can't wait to receive the award.
Nice one.
My name is Gladys Wangeshi, and I'm very happy for this day.
My name is Maureen Oithaka, and I'm so glad and I can't wait to receive the award.
Okay, so is it the first time you are coming here, Star Brand?
This is the third time. In the last 3 years we've been here, and we've been nominated in different roles. But for this particular one, we have been nominated as the most recommended paint brand in Kenya, and we are so anxious to receive it.
Okay,
Yes.
wow. What about you? How do you feel? What's your thoughts?
My thought is I'm very happy and I'm very thankful to all our customers for helping us to reach this far. And we thank everyone. We are thankful for everything.
Okay, what about you?
I'm so glad that we have been nominated for this category. The market has been favorable for the past few months, and we thank God. Being nominated truly feels like a dream come true as a company. Yes.
Wow, wow. So let's go and see how we are going to receive the award. Join us, guys.
The most recommended quality paint brand in Kenya.
Unicolour, inspire your imagination.
Congratulations to Unicolour.
Inspire your imagination.
Congratulations.
Unicolour, karibuni sana. Unicolour, karibuni sana. Bas, twende. Wewe.
Mobile ya kutingana bomengo wasengi ya komandenga na ndimi. Mobile ya kutingana bangenge ya sengi ya pengizenga na ndimi. Na baniko mimana ye babangi kupenga
Asante sana, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And finally,
This brand as the most preferred supplier
So,
of
and
UV
finally,
has-
guys, we have received the award. Wow. Hey, how do you feel? How do you feel?
Wow. This actually rubber stamps our various strategies that we've been having in the market. As the most recommended brand, there are a number of things we've initiated in the market.
Okay.
And we really appreciate our customers and anyone out there who took their time to vote for us. Thank you so much. And we also thank you Star Brand Awards for making such a good event.
How do you feel?
I'm so grateful. I am so excited because I know you guys. This award is yours. We thank you for your support each and every day. The moment you go to that hardware, the moment you order for that paint, you rubber stamp this. Thank you very much, and we appreciate everything. May God bless you.
Nice one. So, Joel, can you tell us a little bit about Unicolour?
If today you want the most quality paint in Kenya, it is Unicolour. If you want the most affordable, pocket-friendly, it is Unicolour. Unicolour, we have paint for exterior, we have paint for interior, and we also have paint that you can play around, textured paint, that you can make that signature wall to look very amazing.
Wow.
Yes.
I have seen that several months ago you introduced tokens.
Yeah. I think one of the reasons why they recommended us is
Okay.
because also of the Changamkia Unicolour promotion.
Wow.
So this program, basically for anyone out there who buy our paint, you get a reward inside the paint. You just scratch, dial star 702 star 26 hash. And the money within 24 hours goes direct to your M-Pesa.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. So it's Changamkia, Unicolour, Pata, Hela. So Unicolour inspire your imagination. United Paints, the spring of beauty. Haya, Anguka nayo. Anguka nayo.